Hey YouTube, I'm gonna show you how to fix your launch in The Amazing Spider-Man. First, I'm gonna show you the problem. Yeah, I figured it out, so I don't have the problem anymore. So it says you don't have enough memory, and I didn't know that was a lie, so I figured it out. So you just need to follow the steps. You need to go in your folder and go into program files, Steam apps, common, find the game, The Amazing Spider-Man, and then there's a file who calls, you can see it here. I put the file in the description, and this file you need to delete it from yeah, it is here, and you just need to delete the file, and then then it works. Then save it and quit, and then you can play. Hope I did help. So thanks for watching. See you.